So, Luc, we will see a direct use in the microwave oven without defrosting. You'll prepare peas in mushroom sauce. We will see a classical recipe with an application of a minute product in the microwave oven. First, I add salt to the peas. How much? 6 to 8 grams per kilo of product according to your guest's taste. And mix well. Then I'll add my hot mushroom sauce directly onto the frozen peas. I mix well. Here, what we should understand is that we are simply reheating the product and not cooking it, as it has already been cooked. I mix well together to coat the peas with the sauce. Put the product in a microwave oven dish. Cover with plastic film to get a better spreading of the heat. Make some holes to get even better homogeneous temperature. Reheat in a microwave oven for 6 to 7 minutes at 750 watts, and proportionally less time if over 750 watts. Let's see our peas. Our peas are now ready to be served and displayed in a small ramekin. So this kind of product or application can be used for the entire range? Yes, to all our range of minute vegetable products. As you can see, it's simple, quick, and can be used with all kinds of sauces.